It actually is the afternoon.
No, what time is it? No, have I been bad?
10:30.
That's not the afternoon. That's a perfectly reasonable time to wake up.
We have to go to do the thing with Ian.
We are going to the Chinese takeaway. Sitting in a row in the van. Happy place.
Buffet and what?
It's a glamorous day for us. Hard day on the build, Ian.
Absolutely. This is a time for thought and reflection.
We need quite a lot of thought and reflection, and I think that rosé helps with that.
Port, yes.
Port and reflection.
Port and reflection, yes.
The men are talking about cricket. Who's even playing cricket?
Sri Lanka and South Africa.
Sri Lanka and South Africa. And that's why we have to talk about cricket.
Sri Lanka are leading by 250. They have 7 wickets in hand.
Oh look, I've stopped filming. Have Sri Lanka scored? Is that what's going on?
Banana fritter.
The men have dropped me off to do all of the shopping for the workshop whilst they've gone to the builders' merchants. I'm trying to work out what this is. So I bought the entire shop.
Yeah, another moment of elegance for Chateau Diaries. We're having to do a runner with the trolleys from Renfrey because Ian is busy and we need to get to the builders' merchants with the food for the workshops. I don't think they were expecting me to buy so much. I thought they thought I would just wander around with one little shopping bag. And it was all going so well.
Let's help, Philip.
There was a catastrophe!
I can't see.
The entire trolley fell over.
Thank God the past taxi in one piece. Shall I go and get the van?
They're now just eating the plums that were on the floor. Are you not worried that they were on the floor? Michael, when I said I need you to come and collect me, I have too much shopping, do you want to run over why you didn't do that again? Better after they've rolled around on the dual carriageway.
They're damn nice, actually.
And why didn't you come and collect me?
No one takes you seriously, Steph. Oh, hi, oh.
It's really been a day of trolleys. Ian has bought me a present. It's Velcro. It's a roll of Velcro that's sticky. Oh, this is so exciting. And it's pink. It's one of those presents that I didn't know I needed and now can't imagine life without. I don't know what to do with it. Yes. Now what can I Velcro? I've made a ring. We've come to a shop to get Michael's sofa, and instead the men have found a box of really good quality tartan, which seems to be offcuts from some sort of kilt factory.
What is that?
Oh, that's a good one. I just don't feel you have enough skirts in your life generally, Michael. You've got to get that. They have every colour imaginable.
That is an interesting chair.
Have you seen something else? Oh, I like this one. This is a really good one.
Okay, shall we go?
Oh, yeah.
Well, miraculously, we got everything back to the chateau in one piece. But now there's just time for Michael to say goodbye to the sheep because he and Ruth are leaving and I've got to take them to the train station.
And how do we feel without Michael and Ruth?
Heartbroken.
And you, Percy?
Heartbroken, yes.
Yes, well,
I'll
a lot of
agree with
heartbreak here.
But did you say their names were? Heartbroken, they didn't leave it yet. Get that camera!
Look at you two just gossiping in the corner like old ladies.
Tomorrow. Yes. I'm leaving on a jet plane. I don't know when I'll be back again. Always I hate to go, but the time has come to pack my bags, say goodbye, and that's all I know.
Won't you stay, won't you stay, won't you stay here?
I would love to, I would love to, I would love to.
Why
but
didn't
I
nobody
can't,
give me the
can't,
opera
can't.
memo? Are we now just, are we only speaking in song?
Oh! This is is how we communicate.
How is the cooking going, Donna?
Well, my lasagna is going to be so good. Please come and taste it.
I would,
please,
but I'm leaving on a jet plane. I don't know when I'll be back again. Always I hate to go, but the time has come to pack my bag. See what will happen when I get to the airport.